Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style Matar Paneer. This tastes so good without any cashews or almonds and the gravy is so creamy and delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 200 grams of paneer cut in cubes. Shallow fry till golden. This step is completely optional. You can add the paneer as it is. The paneer sometimes sticks to the bottom, so that's not an issue, so don't worry about it. Take them out when they are golden and keep aside. Now in the same oil add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 thin sliced onion, 2-inch ginger chopped, 2 chopped green chillies and 10 to 12 pods of garlic. Saute everything till golden. Then add 1 chopped tomato and give it a mix. Then add salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix and cook the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup of water and give it a mix. Cover and let everything cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Everything is perfectly cooked now. Allow it to cool down. Then transfer it to a blender jar. Blend to make a paste. Keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadai. To that add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 whole red chilli. Saute for a few seconds, then add half cup of peas. Saute for a minute. I am using frozen peas here. You can also use fresh peas. Add the prepared paste. Add salt if required. Half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The color of the gravy changes. Add half cup of water and give it a mix. Let it boil and simmer. Then add the paneer pieces. Mix with the gravy and let everything come together for 3 to 4 minutes. Our gravy looks so creamy and our delicious Matar Paneer is ready now. Serve it hot with roti or paratha. This tastes so good. Without using cashew nuts or any kind of nuts, the gravy turned out to be super creamy and this tastes totally like restaurant. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.